Hello students, in this video let us see how to find median of a given data. You already have come across median in your lower classes, and median is nothing but it gives the middlemost value of the observation. Okay, so if you have, say, suppose some number of observations here, okay, then it will give you the middle value of the observation. Means there will be equal number of observations before this and equal number of observations after this middle value. Okay, so that is the meaning of median. So first we will see median of ungrouped data. So to find median of ungrouped data, in ungrouped data, the data is taken as it is. It is a raw data. So to find median of ungrouped data, we first have to arrange the data values of the observation in ascending order. Okay, so first we will arrange them in ascending order. Then after you arrange, if the number of observations, which is denoted by n, is odd, then what happens? Then the median is n plus 1 upon 2 observation. And if n is even, then the median is mean or average of n upon 2 and n upon 2 plus 1th observation. Okay, so for example, if you have the data here, say 2, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, okay, and say 9, then how many observations are there? I have already taken in the ascending order. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 observations. So your median will be what? N is 7. Then it is n plus 1 upon 2. So n plus 1 upon 2 is 8 upon 2, which is 4th observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your median. You can see there are 3 observations before this and 3 observations after this. Okay. What if you have the data, say 2, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9. So how many observations are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now n is even here, correct? So to find the median, it is n upon 2 is 8 upon 2, which is 4th, and n upon 2 plus 1 is 5th observation. So we have to take the mean of 4th and 5th observation. So which is that 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th observation is this 6 and 5th observation is this 6 plus 7 the whole upon 2, which is 13 upon 2, which is 6.5. Okay, so 6.5 will come somewhere here. Okay, so how many observations are there before this? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you see there are equal number of observations on both the sides. Now let us see another example. Find the median of the following data, which gives the marks out of 50 obtained by 100 students in a test. Now you can see here, this is also ungrouped data. Okay, it's not divided into class intervals, but it tells you the frequency of the observation. Okay, so how many students have got 20 marks? 6 students. And 29 marks is obtained by 28 students. 24 students have got 28 marks, and so on. So this tells you frequency, which is how many students have got this marks. So now to find the median of this, as we have seen, first we have to arrange the data in ascending order. So let us arrange this in ascending order and put it in the frequency table. So once you arrange it, so from the least to the highest you have arranged marks as well as the frequency. And if you add this, it will be 100, because the number of students obtained by 100 students. Okay, so the total number of students is 100. So when you add, it will be 100. Now let us see how we have to find the median. Now since here number of observations is 100, which is even, your median will be average of n upon 2 and n upon 2 plus 1th observation. So what is n upon 2? 100 upon 2, which is 50. And n upon 2 plus 1 is 51st. So 50th and 51st observations mean you have to take and find the median. Now if you look at this data here, can you make out which is the 50th observation or 51st observation? No, right? It just says that 6 students have got 20 marks. Then 20 students have got 25 marks. So if you arrange it in this way, 6 students have got 20 marks. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 20 students have got 25 marks. So 1, 2, 3 up to 20 students, okay, will be having 25 marks. So you have to write all these values, okay, to see which is the middle observation now, to find the 50th and the 51st observation. Now this is a very difficult process. So to simplify this, what we have is the cumulative frequency. So how to find cumulative frequency? Let us see. Now this is marks obtained. How many students have got 6 marks? How many students have got 20 marks? 6 students. So first there will be 6 students. Then next, okay, next frequency will be what? First there are 6 students. So then after that there will be 20 students, okay. So from up to 25 marks, how many students have got? Okay, up to 25 marks, how many students have got? It will be 20 plus 6, right? 26. So if I say up to 25 marks, how many students have got? 26. Okay. Similarly, next we will add and see how many students have got up to 28 marks. So up to 28, how many students have got? It will be 20 plus 24. Okay. 26 plus 24, which is 50. So 50 students have got marks up to 28. So up to 28, how many students? You will get 50th observation. So 50 students are there in the up to 28. So we have got the 50th observation, correct? So like this we have to keep on adding. Now for 50 we add 28 and we get 78. Then for 78 we add 15 and get 93. For 93 we add 4 and get 97. For 97 we add 2 and get 99. And then 99 plus 1 gives you 100. So we have covered 100 students. So up to 50, this is 50th observation. Up to 50, how many marks have been covered? 28 marks. So 50th observation will be 28 marks, correct? So you said first 6 will have 20 marks. Then next 20 will have 25 marks. Then next, how many? 24 will have how many marks? 28 marks. So till here we have finished 50 observations, correct? So this means the 50th observation is 28. Then what will be 51st observation? 51st observation will be the next one, correct? From here it will be 51 to 78. So 51 to 78 will be here, correct? So next 51st observation will be 29. So your median will be equal to 28 plus 29 upon 2, which is 57 upon 2 equal to 28.5. So this is how we find median of ungrouped data when the frequency is given to you.